Man, I love the forest. So chill and natural.
Hey, you there.
What? Huh? What the heck?
Do you want to make $223,000? Well, look no further. Join a competition to make that money now.
Whoa. 223,000? Dude, this must be a lie. I need to go check this out. Okay, this must be the place. Hello? Okay, so,
You here for the green?
yeah, I'm here for the money.
Alright. One bullet. You die, or I die. You die, I keep all the money for myself. If I die, the money's all yours, buddy.
Okay.
That's still on my side, so...
Ah. No. Wait. Drop the gun, look behind you.
Yeah?
I'm taking the money.
After killing that person, everything changed. I sold the stuff, and then, finally, after all this time, I was rich.